what's up? Welcome back to Anomalous today. We're doing Cup of Cringe. Here we go. It has been a couple of weeks. I've been busy. Here we go. It's unbearable. A taste that twists and turns, leave me raw, exposed like a wound that won't heal. My mind fractures under the weight of every moment I want to forget. My reflection warps into something grotesque. I don't know if I could ever look at myself again without flinching. I mean, I guess you could say that's perfect definition of cringe. Return the slab. That's literally what it says on the spreadsheet, by the way. Yeah, return the slab. That's very creepy and cursed as hell. Oh my god. Yeah, that is the Cup of Cringe. If you enjoy this episode, please stay tuned for this video. Bye-bye.